going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Skills Gambino and this is Gambino Reacts, and today we are checking out Unis Spring Rain. But before we get started, if you haven't checked out my previous reaction to Beanie Honey Honey, I'll leave a card on the top and I'll leave this video in the description down below. Roll the intro. So I like Unis. I like reacting to these girls. They are super fun. They have some of the best like cutesy poppy music videos, which is super dope. So we're gonna see if this one is a hit or a miss. This was a recommended video, by the way, so shout out to you guys who recommended me to react to this song. So let's get started. Okay.
거짓말 해가 뜰 거라고 예보했잖아. 한 방울씩 뭔가 내릴 것 같다. Dropped it far away, yeah. 널 또 보고 있어. I don't even know. 눈 마주쳐 I could feel right. I've got no break. 감정이 달아진 교복에 셔츠가 너무 좋지. 기차인 어느새 한 편을 훌쩍 담아서지. 너를 볼 때면 그슬의 결이
Yo, I'm sorry, but the way she came in, what's her name? Yuna? Oh, bro, hold on. The way she came in was super clean, bro. Hold up. I am so sorry. Hold on. Cause that was super clean.
척하면서 챙겨줘 항상 Oh my 네 집까지 데려다 줬잖아. 이상했다. 혼자만의 착각일까 못 읽겠어. 네 마음은 그런 게 나니까 나만 심으로 해 You 난 짧게만 느껴져. 둘이서 가는 이 길이 운동화 끝이 돼서도 기분 좋아. 왠지 우리 사이 정적 내 심장 소린 쿵쿵.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Yuna's part is clean as fuck. Yeah, I'm saying her name right. Yunha. Yeah, okay, yeah. Her part is so fucking clean. My bad for pausing.
Gotta take some action. 이제 친구는 그만할래. 이건 사랑이 맞는 것 같아. 한 방울씩 흘러다 쏟아진 봄비. 이번에는 좀 오르내릴 거다. 오늘 우리를 오래 기억하겠지. 아직 부르고 살짝 뜨거웠어. Yeah we know. 자신 있게 네 맘을 말해봐. 더 말해봐. 다 아니까. 역시 그래도 알아서 설레었잖아. 자신 있게 내 맘을 말해봐. 다 말해봐. 다 아니까. 우선 나에서 피어난 작은 봄.
Yeah, look, I'm gonna be honest, bro. Damn, that shit is mad loud. Sorry. That right there was clean. Okay. That was super fun to watch. Like I watched a bunch of K-pop, listened to a bunch of K-pop. Some of them made me move and groove, but this one was super poppy, super clean. Like, listen, I'm gonna be honest with you, right? There's a handful of artists, K-pop artists, that makes me get up, that wants me to dance, right? That makes me want to get up and dance and shit. But not all of them make me dance the entire song, bro. Like, that's the shit. Now, let me get into it. So, I'm still learning the members. All right, so Yunha, right? I don't know if I'm saying that right, but yo, she's the one that caught me off guard. The way she came in, that shit was super clean. Uh, Elisa, right? Elisa, yeah, Elisa, Elisa. Okay, yeah, super dope voice. They all listen. They all have their own unique stuff, like singing voice. They all sound amazing. But I'm gonna be honest, and you guys could agree to disagree with me in the comments. But me personally, I think Yunha stood out the most in this only because the way she came in. Other than that, man, listen, don't get me wrong, all the members ate, but Yunha stood out to me. I am so sorry. If you guys are not like don't agree with me, I completely understand. But I'm telling you, for right now, I'm telling you, these girls are like, yeah. Yo, shout out to the ones who recommended this video to me. You're a real one. If you like my reaction, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what city, state, and country you're watching from, and I'll give you guys a shout out in my next video. And I also just clarify, I be do I go live on Kick every morning. So if you wanna come join the stream for a little bit, talk bullshit, I'll leave it in the description down below. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.